namukena kambe ka Master Xitsonga analyst yena mntu of course utakhe la beni mayengani the president man mingo akakholela osingo Mr. Post yeah, and then from there takhe hiya ka timhaka ta Kokwani Chauke and then makum of course takhe hetela hi J John loyi nga takhe ngilinka very very na Dr. Thomas Chauke and stuff like that. Yeah, so mhaka leyi hi tela ku leyi sungule later on hi ti 9 ta December la so fike hi vona Benny Mayengani the president hi fika hi continue hi this post na hi nga fayisela ku hi kokwani Africa leyi i gig number 51 i ya hembe vanhu mi n'wi byela a ta teka mali ya kona vana tanihileswi of course mi nga mi swona even like na even previous la mi ka yin'wana ti-updates a hi update ni kha yi kombisa mi rhanga phanda ku yi xotele gig yin'we yi pfala like yi lava 50 gigs ntsena and stuff like that. So it's very very clear yo khuleleni ka hosi ngo Mr. Post hi ndlela leyi because this year month I don't know guys this year a swi fana na malembe ka sayiti ra hosi ngo Mr. Post it's either mi boko nga ri ku ti live ti-gig this year or a ni ku swi twiseni kahle ku voma last year mi kuma a na ti-gig to hlaya swinene around December but this time around I don't know ti very very few. Then from there also wrote this post la nga tsala ku 51 leyi ya malembe kokwani Africa cheka ntukulu okay and then the last post again also wrote kokwani Africa xeweta ntukulu ka swo boha no hi ze responda something ivi yi tsala swin'wana yo yo sungula fika tsala ku ni ku pambelela tingani n'wana sesi and stuff like that and then mi rhanga phanda responded inside leya 51 ya yena then his last post the road kasi xitokofela i xa rini emzaya of course na swo ku ndlela yo gega very very ku kota ku va kha ku magigini other ways ay okay a swi lungheni and stuff like that. And then vele khe hi tlhela mi ka kokwani Fonyonyo mi nga ma hleketa vele in relation to mhaka leya ti-rapta leyi a chinge ngopfu boy sevenza man a chinge ngopfu hi timhaka ti-rapta ta kona ti va ti ri ha ti-number plates ma vona mhaka leyi and stuff like that. A mi nga ma hleketa video leyi yo yi nga ze yi ndla ku na gagaxeza a faka number plate
timovha a kha ha ti vona leti mi nga ti xava ti-rapta na ti-BM na ti-Golf 7 mara faka number plate.
It's a Golf 8 not Golf 7 okay ka biyo ngo yi vula i khale ya grey ku maroon swo swa ko
faka number plate movha yi nge teki 2 months yi ra number plate yi ri ya wena faka number plate a ni movha ya wena ena hi vona permit
and stuff like that. Eka siku of course ra ti 10 ta December na kokwani Chauke fika improve boy sevenza wrong swo kuna xi na influence demene let's just approve it boy sevenza xi va xi na influence yi kulukumba ngopfu ma hikuva nge va yi fikirini proper kokwani Chauke number plate swi nga zangi swi kombisa but swa tikomba ku himpela like a xi va fikirini boy seven yes xi nga xi ri rhongo xi xi endlaku but swi va fikirini so as you can see yeleyo kokwani Chauke kona hi veka ku ti-images a yi ndle ti-number plate the very proper too and stuff like that as you can see kwalano so a ni tiku hi ri yini ho vula ku a swi kahle musa I guess loko hi nge vuli ku hi cockroach ta nchumu in terms of number plate but ya hi sweswo yi le ku proveni na yona kwalano ku rap ya yo so a hi tiku swi boy seven ta fika ku yini ku vhevheri ku lwana nyimpi leyi it's all about fighting with boy sevens and stuff like that vana mhaka yi tlhela na video clip leyi a hi twini kwa yi ku yini and stuff like that. Yeah, let's go.
Proper, what you want proper is proper, man. You know, like, what's so much? You know, that's a man. You proper thing. Yeah. You want to get a man, tell her, you need proper. I got a chicken and I'm sorry, proper to you go on up again, you tabu, and GR Sports yi le ndzeni yi nge he vi 2 ya mahala or 3 ya mahala. Proper.
And there's something, notice something now. Okay, guys. Mosoko na rabda la yina kan number plate ya blue la. So and the Kokwani Chauke say vekela number plate, so we can assume or is the same rabda somehow maybe you fika in the modifications ngasho vula tano or it was the same rabda you fika in the modifications kwandi ya khala ina a red number plate, so loko ingako is the same rabda I guess. So you know you modify you I mean ukita kushini swin'wana leswi swi twisisaka xiswona and stuff like that. So GR you would need I come so election at GR Sport and stuff like that. No, it's around 1 million. Okay. Of course though no it's a great choice. Koko lava vanhu va timali hi nge vula reliability ku lula ntiyisi, so yeah, to a regular person yes. But one phone you should ganya ku ganya and stuff like that. And then if you get like this post, if it's kahle magaza hayi Kokwani Chauke ka film ga itsarisa sweswo mhaka le kahle aba mo fika mutsari mo kahle wona u ba wa ngopfu. Hi tsandzeni shem ku soliwa yini kwala hi ku mina ni twa ku nyanganya Matsonga vona laha. So hayi ta yimela yona boy 7 kota ku twa sweswo yi responda yi ku yini kwala ka gagasho already yi responded ka na plate fa yi komisa ku movha ya ti very ban something like that ku ya hi side ra yo. So there'll be a crazy one go phone you show go boring ka mat sala ngelo le matan sado obviously go we have a terration ka the same business, so I reza da ke itu and the very kete la John ya bangon mga kamsto ko ela kundla inan Gian, can we say it's a fill up? Yeah, like one-man show. It's a one-man show. Against that, yeah. I'm going to really show because I'm sure the trend guys like yeah. If you're something she trend ako, when I'm going boring, man, I'm like, what is the end of video about Shona because yeah, if you got Ramba Dr. Thomas Chauke, I mean like it's one of the legends. Yeah, by far, you're not the biggest artist. Guy event here and the Shina impact and one. Yeah, but what's against Shinen? The Shanga show enter J Jonas. You can see what I take here. Dr. Thomas Chauke kwa dan and kukomsa ka yena from konzo ya yena as an artist also. So if you want to this one is deeply personal for me. Today I'm humbled to announce that Dr. Thomas Chauke will be part of my one-man show on 19 December at Gian Stadium. I grew up listening to his music, studying his ways, and dreaming that one day I could carry even a small part of magic he brought to our culture. It's the reason many of us believed our language, our stories, and our sound could reach the world. To stand on the same stage as the man who shared my journey, it feels like a blessing from God. I'm honored. I'm emotional. I'm grateful. Thank you, Dr. Thomas Chauke, for paving the way. Guyana, this moment is bigger than me. It is history. This one, of course, I have a conversation and stuff like that. Yeah. So on overall you for komisa vele ku la kha ngisala music wa vona as start maradi ya vona and have a dream yo of course one day of course anga vana vona ka stage and stuff like that. So yeah, hele swa ka va khensa ku va leading on the way and stuff like that. So it's great. It's great. Okay. So yeah, hele swa ha ri kwale ngo vete vona ku hi ti tin'wana artist nga ta kha ri kona. Tungata unique, it's very much thick and thin. Okay. The other ones are no in terms of kuva like regular sort of Dr. Thomas Chauke you talk for now, you stand out. Yeah. Yeah, for now. Hi, okay. Oh, now Gemina, no, yeah, no, you can say this stand out a bit. Yeah, to some extent. Okay, leswo guys. Loko ramgeza subscribe na mtlika subscribe.
Nikombela mini nyika tinambara ta va ka Eskom mina. Hikuva ka khosa kusukela hi 2000 va sweka hi gezi ra 3 rand. Ni la ku vutisa swa ku va ka khosa a gezi leri va nga xava rona ro va ra njhani.